we talk about how can you this background image on your uh, on your app, on your Pocket Option app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here. Sorry, you go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, so you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So when you click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click here on theme here and just click on theme. Then when you click here on theme here, it's going to show for you. So when you click here on theme, it's going to show for you list like this here. Come here to background image, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's my background image. Disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.